Ever wonder why your Wi-Fi works fine in the living room, but completely dies in your bedroom or kitchen? It's not your internet speed. The problem is usually your Wi-Fi signal and how it travels through your home. Your router uses two main frequencies, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is faster but has poor wall penetration. 2.4 GHz travels further but is slower and picks up more interference. If your router is in a corner of the house, you're cutting off signal to half your space. Placement matters a lot. Start simple. Place your router in a central location, high up, not inside a cabinet or behind your TV. Got an old router lying around? Turn it into a Wi-Fi repeater. You just need to tweak a few settings, no extra gear needed. If you're tech-savvy, flash your router with OpenWRT or dd-wrt. This gives you more control, boost signal power, reduce interference, and fine-tune your setup like a pro. In apartments, neighbors' routers can interfere with yours. Use apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer to find the least crowded channel and switch to it manually. For big homes, mesh Wi-Fi systems like Google Nest or Eero are game changers. Multiple nodes talk to each other to give you seamless coverage everywhere. So no, you don't always need faster internet, just smarter Wi-Fi. Use these tips and take full control of your home network. Like and subscribe for more tech tips that actually work.